Oh, we're blurred. No, we're not. Autofocus. That's great. Guys, I just had the biggest lunch and I think I ate it way too fast. Now my stomach hurts. My grandma always said to me, Jen, you eat way too fast. You need to slow down and chew your food at least 20 times. 20 times? I ain't got time for that. Maybe 10. I'll give you 10. But I definitely need to do that because it helps with digestion. Just a side tip before we get into the video. So guys, today's video is going to be all about my blackhead removal tutorial. I did a video on this a couple of years ago. I'm gonna do one today that's more updated and with some products that I find really help as well. So if you guys want to see how it's done, how I get rid of these little whiteheads, blackheads, and just clean out your pores really well, keep watching this video.
To start, I'm going to use a hot face cloth and apply it to the nose area, a gentle push on the sides to get things loosened up a bit. You can either steam your entire face or just leave a hot cloth on the area for 1 minute. Next, I'll be using the extractor tool to gently scrape and push out any blackheads. You want firm pressure so that any oils and bacteria get pushed out. I love using this around the nostril area because that's where most of my blackheads and whiteheads are. For the next step, I'm going to wet my nose and apply the Biore Blue Agave and Baking Soda Detox Mask just around the nose. Using a face brush, I'm going to focus on areas that have larger pores and are more prone to blackheads and whiteheads. It's cool on the skin and helps eliminate impurities, lifting away dirt and oil to purify clogged pores. Let this sit for about 10 minutes and then wipe clean with a warm towel. This mask doesn't harden, but it still works really well. Once I've cleaned this area, it's time for our next step. I'm gonna wet the nose because it's time for a pore strip. I've been using Biore pore strips ever since I can remember. Today I'll be using the charcoal pore strips. This is the packaging and the box comes with 8 strips. What I love about these strips is that there are little slits around the nose area to help make it easier to stick to the contours of the nose so no area is missed. I like to give it a little twist here and there to loosen it up so it fits. Then I place this on the nose, keeping it slightly slack so you can press it into areas that are hard to stick to. You'll know it's ready to peel off when it's hard. If you're in a rush, grab your blow dryer to make the drying process go faster. Of course, the peel off can make your eyes water a little, but the results are worth it. I mean, we're family, right? It's fine to show you guys what came off my pore strip. You can really see the stuff when I show it from the side. Those little peaks of white are pulled out. Gross, but so satisfying. There might be some leftover pore strip on the nose, so I just take a warm wet towel and remove it. And for the last step, which I think is one of the most important things, is using a tonic to help reduce redness and to keep the area clean. Here I'm using the Pixi Rose Tonic, a few drops on a cotton pad, and I'm just going to apply it to the nose and leave it here for a few seconds and then wipe around the area. Last tip, don't put anything on your face for at least 1 hour to let your pores breathe. And now, we're done.
So this is how I get rid of blackheads. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do highly recommend you get pore strips because they just have something in the strip that really removes deep in the pore, taking out all those whiteheads, those blackheads, and your nose just feels like so much cleaner. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Maybe some hack videos, maybe some more makeup tutorials. Just let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys. Thank you again so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a great time getting rid of your pores because I'm gonna tell you after this video, my nose feels so much better. I love you, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one.